Welcome to UltraLights. My name is Brian and I'm one of the engineers at UltraLights. We are a manufacturer of residential, commercial, and hospitality lighting. We offer a large catalog of standard product which we can modify to any spec that you may need. We also specialize in custom fixtures as well. All of our designs are manufactured in the US, and today we're going to take you guys on a quick tour of our fabrication facility in Tucson, Arizona. First, we'll get started in our acrylic department. We use various acrylics to create the diffusers for our luminaires. The process begins here with our CNC router. This machine allows us to be much more precise with our cuts, especially when dealing with unique shapes and sizes that would otherwise be very difficult to cut by hand. The CNC router allows us to drill precise screw holes and V-grooves for bending, eliminating the need for secondary hand drilling operations later on. Here, the parts are sanded to remove any blemishes and then buffed to achieve a smooth, even finish on the diffuser. Next, some parts require forming. The forming process ranges from a simple 90-degree break to more complex curves or cylinders, which require a form to be heated and the acrylic to be cooked in the oven. The diffusers are then packed and sent to our assembly department where they are installed onto their corresponding light fixture. Next, we're going to move on and show you guys our metal fabrication area. The majority of our fixtures begin as flat sheet metal parts, and once a light is designed, CAD files are sent from our engineering department out to our CNC fiber laser. Sheet metal in various thicknesses is loaded onto the fiber laser machine bed. This machine has two exchanging machine beds. This allows us to send a new sheet of metal into the machine for cutting. Meanwhile, the cut parts are sent out the back of the machine and can be unloaded. Parts are then separated and organized by their different model numbers and staged for fabrication. From here, parts will either need bending, rolling, or welding operations, sometimes all of the above. This is where the light fixture really begins to take shape. Many parts just need a simple 90-degree break. Many of our pendants are round and require additional rolling operations. Once parts have been bent and rolled, they can be welded together into their final form. Once a fixture is completed, it is staged on racks or pallets and waits to be sent to our paint department, where it will receive a powder coat finish. Now we'll walk you guys through the cleaner side of our operation. At this location, we perform powder coat, assembly, and shipping operations. In order to be painted, the metal must first be degreased and cleaned in order to achieve the best results. Once it's prepped and clean, all parts are hung on racks and they're staged for powder coating. Powder is applied evenly and then is sent to the oven to be cured. Once the parts have been cured for an appropriate amount of time, they're removed from the oven and then they're set aside to cool. Here we'll begin the assembly process. cooled parts from the powder coat oven are staged in the assembly department, where they will receive their final touches. First, lamping is installed onto the fixture. For LED lamping, the LED boards are installed onto backplates for sconces and lamp boards for pendants. For incandescent or LED retrofit bulbs, lamp boxes and sockets are also installed onto the fixture. Lenses are then installed onto both sconces and pendants. This process can be fairly quick for some of our more straightforward standard product. Can sometimes be a much longer process for some of our more unique and modified custom light fixtures. During the assembly process, you really begin to see each light take its final form, and it's very fun to watch a fixture transform from raw sheet metal into this finished product. Once the assembly process is complete, the fixtures are moved into our shipping department. Here, each order is packed accordingly. Some small fixtures can be packed together in the same box, while others require separate large boxes, or sometimes we even build custom-made crates for large custom fixtures. Once the fixtures are packed and labeled, the fixture is ready to be shipped to the customer. Thank you guys for joining us today at UltraLights. We really appreciate your time. We hope you enjoyed seeing a snapshot of our manufacturing process, and we look forward to working with you all in the future.